From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, State College. I'm student meteorologist Nick Guzzo with your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast. Taking a live look at Beaver Stadium right now, seeing that beautiful sunrise, a little bit blocked by some of the spotty cloud cover and by Mount Nittany, but overall temperatures are sitting right now into the mid-30s, but it's feeling a little bit cooler than that due to the winds being into the teens, sitting right now at the west-southwest at 13 miles per hour, feeling like we're into the upper 20s. But I'm not going to complain with the temperatures we've been seeing. Still feeling a little bit like winter, but we did start meteorological spring this past weekend, March 1st. But looking at the temperatures right now across the state, kind of seeing what we are seeing here in State College with temperatures being into the mid-30s. But as we work our way into the southeast, that's kind of the warm spot this morning. Temperatures working their way into the mid-40s, Allentown, Harrisburg, and Philadelphia into the low to mid-40s. But places like the northwest are sitting into the low 30s this morning, right around freezing. Now, as we saw on the satellite, as a live camera, in State College, we did see that it was kind of a quiet morning cloud cover wise, and we just were able to see the sun, so not a lot of precipitation going on. And that's kind of displayed here on the radar and satellite, just some broken cloud cover across the state. Can't rule out some spotty flurries into the northern tier, but as we start working our way to the west, that's going to be where we see our next system, currently over Indiana and Illinois right now, but that's going to start working its way, continuing to the east, and that'll start to impact us this afternoon. And I'll quickly time that out for you so you know exactly when you'll need that umbrella. Right now, as we start working our way through Wednesday, temperatures working their way into the 50s, but here comes that system working its way through this afternoon, right around early evening, maybe as you're getting out of work. That's when you're really going to need that umbrella, especially in the western, especially also as we work our way into central portion of the state. Can't rule out some mixing or snow showers working their way in through the northern tier, but as we start progressing our way through this evening, we'll see the showers and the snow work its way out, and then we'll see some of that broken cloud cover remain through this evening and into early tomorrow morning. But it starts to clear out as high pressure takes the reins and really moves in. Sunny skies working their way in. Temperatures making their way into the 40s, possibly even close to 50 throughout the state, and even looking at Pittsburgh making their way to 50 degrees. But as we start working our way through Thursday evening, we see this band starting to work its way through from the west of the state. That's going to be associated with a low that's moving to the north. And we can't rule out a possibility of seeing some snow with this, especially in the western and central portions of the state. But it really starts to break up as we work our way through the evening of Thursday and the overnight hours as well. But can't rule out especially if you're in the northeast, seeing some of those spotty snow showers working their way through, especially in the Wilkes-Barre-Scranton area. Now today, possible showers as we saw working their way in right around dinner time. Temperatures working their way close to 50 degrees, but it's also going to be windy. Sustained winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts working their way into the 30s, so it might make it feel a little bit chillier than it actually is outside. But overall, I'm not going to be complaining with temperatures getting close to 50 degrees in March. Tonight, we're going to be dropping down to the 20s. But overnight clouds, we'll see those stick around, unfortunately. But don't worry, tomorrow is going to be great. The winds could be still a little bit gusty at times, working their way into the 20s, but the sustained wind will drop down into the 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, it's going to be a great day, getting close to the end of the week, plenty of sunshine. Unfortunately, we'll see those clouds increase as the day progresses, but those winds will also start to die down as we progress into tomorrow as well. Looking at the 7-day, we kind of have this broken pattern of clouds, then sun, then clouds, then sun. We start off sunny skies tomorrow, but then we see that chance for rain and snow working its way through Friday. Temperatures are going to be remaining into the 40s as we work our way into this weekend. But then as we look into the later part of the weekend and early next week, we see temperatures making their way into the mid to upper 50s, possibly getting close to 60 on Monday. Can't rule out some showers working their way in on Monday as well. And on Tuesday, temperatures remaining into the 50s with clouds remaining. Hopefully we'll see some of those peaks of sunshine working its way out. Fingers crossed over here. I'm hoping we will be able to get more sun than rain with this forecast. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Nick Guzzo. I hope you have a great day, State College.